Welcome back to TechUnboxPro. Today, we are diving into the next masterpiece from Sony, the Sony Xperia 2. A smartphone crafted with precision, engineered for creators, gamers, and anyone who demands the absolute best from their device. Sony has always stood out with its unique identity in the smartphone world, and with the Xperia 2, they've taken innovation and elegance to a whole new level. Right from the moment you hold the Xperia 2, you realize this is not a typical phone, it's a powerful creative tool. It features Sony's iconic Tall 21.9 cinematic design that gives you a premium grip and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through social feeds, or editing content, this display brings every frame to life with stunning clarity and rich color accuracy. Sony's world-class OLED panel combined with HDR technology ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth motion. Under the hood, the Sony Xperia 2 packs a flagship-grade chipset optimized for speed, multitasking, and gaming. Apps load instantly, multitasking becomes a breeze, and high-graphic mobile games run beautifully without stutter or heat issues. The battery is intelligently managed to give long hours of usage, ensuring you stay powered throughout your day. Now let's talk cameras, the highlight of the Xperia series. Sony continues to lead with professional-grade camera sensors inspired by Alpha cameras. The Xperia 2 gives you stunning detail, cinematic video recording, and real-time eye focus for humans and pets. Whether you shoot travel vlogs, portraits, or night shots, this phone delivers sharp, balanced, and natural-looking results. So if you're searching for a phone that blends style, professionalism, and power, the Sony Xperia 2 stands tall. Don't forget to subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more premium smartphone content, and stay tuned for the next tech masterpiece.